Hi guys, this
Guys.
is my voice. This
Kwekwentuhan
is gonna
kita.
be my voice today. August.
Napanganak kami. 4 kami. Nagkakapatid. Wala. Ako lang. Pinakamaganda sa kanila. Pangalawa naman, ang kapatid ko, Timothy. Pangalan ko pala kung sa nanay kananan. Kung hindi ka pa nag-like, subscribe. Like and subscribe ka na yan. Just click that like button. Oh, as what I saying, Timothy is a great guy. And who is much greater? My fourth. It is Sky, my little brother, youngest child. And the third, the best list is my brother, Matt, Gabriel. Okay, that's all my brothers, and we are gonna introduce my mother. If you're watching this right now, click that like button, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.